In every school, there are bright minds sitting silently, not because they don't know the answers, but because they don't have the confidence to speak up. For years, we've taught English the same way, through grammar and writing. But where's the speaking? Where's the real communication? That's where Quest steps in, to bring daily communication skills and personality development training right into your classrooms. Without disturbing your academic schedule, Quest is added as part of the regular timetable. No extra periods. No extra pressure. Students start expressing their thoughts. They speak up. They lead. They grow. This transformation doesn't just help them in exams, it prepares them for life. Quest communication. Confidence. Classroom transformation.